Hey there! Have you ever tried to build a good habit only to give up after a few days? Or wondered why bad habits seem impossible to break? Well, it all comes down to science. Today we'll explore how habits form, how your brain plays a role, and, most importantly, how you can hack your habits to finally make the good ones stick and break the bad ones for good. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a game-changing habit strategy that most people overlook. Chapter 1. The Habit Loop Explained. All habits, good or bad, follow a three-step loop discovered by neuroscientists. Cue. A trigger that starts the habit, e.g., waking up in the morning. Routine, the actual action, e.g., checking your phone. Reward, a dopamine hit that makes you repeat the habit, e.g., entertainment or distraction. Over time, this cycle strengthens in your brain, making the habit automatic. That's why you reach for your phone without thinking. But here's the good news. You can hack this loop. Let's talk about how to build powerful habits that actually last. Chapter 2. How to make good habits stick. Want to build better habits? Use these 4 science-backed rules from James Clear's Atomic Habits. Make it obvious, create visible reminders. Want to read more? Place a book on your pillow so you see it before bed. Make it attractive. Pair your habit with something enjoyable. Love music? Only listen to your favorite songs while working out. Make it easy. Start super small. Want to meditate? Start with just 2 minutes a day. Make it satisfying. Track your progress and reward yourself. Seeing your streak grow makes you want to keep going. But wait, how long does it actually take to form a habit? Let's break down the myth of 21 days in the next section. Chapter 3. The myth of 21 days and what science says. You've probably heard that it takes 21 days to form a habit, but is that really true? Science says nope. In reality, research from University College London found that on average, it takes 66 days to form a habit, but the range can be anywhere from 18 to 254 days, depending on the person and the habit. The takeaway? Be patient. Building habits is a long game, so don't give up just because you miss a day. Instead, focus on consistency over perfection. Chapter 4. How to break bad habits. Okay, now let's flip the script. How do you break bad habits? Simple. Do the opposite. Make it invisible. Remove triggers. Trying to quit junk food? Keep it out of sight, or better yet, out of the house. Make it unattractive. Change how you view the habit. Tell yourself, scrolling social media isn't relaxing. It's stealing my time. Make it difficult. Add friction. Want to stop doom scrolling? Log out of your apps or delete them entirely. Make it unsatisfying. Have an accountability partner. Knowing someone is watching makes you less likely to fail. But here's an advanced hack you might not have thought about. The commitment contract. Let's talk about it. Chapter 5. The power of a commitment contract. Want to supercharge your habit success? Use a commitment contract. Here's how it works. You make a written agreement with yourself or a friend to complete a habit or face a consequence. Example, if I don't go to the gym 3 times a week, I have to donate $50 to a cause I dislike. Research shows that when there's a penalty involved, you're way more likely to stick with your goals. So why not try this trick? Habits shape our lives. The good news? You can shape your habits. Which habit are you trying to build or break right now? Drop a comment below. Let's discuss. And if you want more science-backed insights on self-improvement, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. Hi,